because these two brilliant, wonderful, amazing people that you see on the screen were actually my mentors. As we were just talking, we were just having this sort of circle of mentoring between each other. But they were a great inspiration, and of course, great sources of learning about the thing that I'm going to be talking about, which is the community consultancy. So in the beginning, Todd said and Jenny said that we're all community consultants, and what is it? And a lot of people actually came up to me, and I'm sure they came up to Todd and Jenny as well. I want to become a community consultant, move into community consultancy, maybe sort of just test it out. How can I do this? What does it involve, and stuff like that? And there's surprisingly very little resource or guidance, or at least a sharing of experience on the web and in the events and so forth. So I just said, why not just put something together where I'm able to collate all my experiences, try and put some guidance together for people who are thinking of starting community consultancy. What does it involve, and perhaps is it right for you? And if you're going to be doing it, what you should be doing and what you shouldn't be doing in accordance with my experience. So these are the things that I'm going to be talking about. Certainly, I would love to tell you a bit more about what consultancy is, why is it rising like this, and certainly, what is community consultancy? What does it involve? What do we actually do on a day-to-day basis?